Hi everyone! Join me for this practice to relax the body, slow down, and prepare for a good night's sleep. Stand up straight with your feet parallel, soften your knees, and tuck your tailbone in so you have a straight back. Relax your neck and shoulders. And take a moment here to become aware of your entire body. Begin by warming up your hands. Then massage the center of your palm. Same on the other hand. Then with your hands nice and warm, massage the face. Relax the muscle of the face. Relax the forehead, between the eyebrows. Relax and soften your jaw. Then go ahead and gently knock on the head. Then spend a few seconds on the chest area. From here, begin shaking your wrists. Relax your wrists and your fingers. Then shake down your elbows. Next, lift the shoulders up, squeeze tight, and release down. These exercises help to relax the muscles of the upper back and encourage blood flow to the hands and fingers. Now, shake off your whole body. Keep your feet firm on the ground and your back nice and relaxed. This exercise is good antidote for stress. The gentle vibration helps to release stagnation from the body and balance the energy. It's also good for releasing mental and emotional stress from the body. Slow down and notice how you feel. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath in through the nose. Press upward, come up on your toes. Exhale, relax, and soften your whole body. Repeat the sequence 3 times. Breathe normally, keeping your breath slow and deep. When lifting the heels, make sure your back remains straight and your tailbone pointing down. When lowering to the ground, first relax the neck and shoulders, then down your back into your hips and legs. One more time. Then let your arms relax by the side. We're going to finish today's practice with cloud hands. Find a comfortable stance and begin moving your hips in the figure of 8. Important thing here is shifting the weight from one leg to another. Keep your lower back as relaxed as possible and let your body weight sink down into your feet, as if your legs are carrying your torso on a tray. Relax your neck and shoulders and let your arms naturally follow the body. Then bring both hands up and circle in front of the face. Imagine as if your hands are moving like clouds. They are weightless, passing slowly in the sky. Keep your upper body nice and relaxed and your spine long. Same time using your legs as a solid foundation for the movement. Do that for 1 minute. Breathe normally, slowly, and deeply into your belly. Round your hands as if you're holding a big cloud in front of your belly. Then inhale softly, expanding your belly out. Exhale and relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your hands in front of your belly and bring your attention to your abdomen and the area inside it. Feel the softness and fullness between your hands and the body. Then gently massage your belly clockwise. Feel the warmth from your hands penetrating through your skin and warming up the entire abdominal area. Change the direction. Then slide your hands to the back. Feel the warmth from your hands on your back and inside the area. Go down the back of the legs. Then pause to lengthen through your spine and stretch the back. Slowly raise up. Finish by gathering the energy around you and guiding it to the lower dantian. Bring your attention to your body and notice how you feel. Relax and settle your mind. Thank you for watching. I hope you feel nice and relaxed. Enjoy the rest of your day and goodbye.